Oh look, the human has finally decided to clean.
We're starting with the recycling, which I probably should have dealt with sooner.
Well, it's about time she deals with this crazy mess. Get back over here, human. These bags aren't going to flatten themselves.
These bags are much easier to flatten when they haven't been attacked by a certain someone.
I'd love to help, but I'm all paws.
When the bags get misshapen, I have to reshape them
Pardon my zoomies.
before I can flatten them. There's quite a bit to flatten, so I'm going to speed this up even more.
Nothing to see here. Definitely not me. I'm castle royalty. I should not be wrestling with a bag. Where's the human? Surely she hasn't escaped her cleaning duties. Is it mush time yet, human? I am always starving. Smells like recycling. I'll allow it. Wait a minute. Where are you taking that? I knew it. She's trying to escape the castle. Come on, human. Your duties await.
With our new recycling procedure, I have to take the whole can out to the garage to empty it now. I haven't developed the habit yet, so it gets over full, and the recycling ends up piling up elsewhere, so it's a good reminder to empty the can often.
I found something that needed to be moved, so I moved it. Everywhere. Nope, too quickly. I must retreat. Patchy, it's just plastic. Well, that was exhausting. You're welcome.
Just a little channel update. Our little nest is going to be expanding beyond just cleaning. With a small house and just me, my son, and the cats, there's only so much cleaning content that I can make.
Is it mush time? No, she's doing the dishes. Yay, clean bowl.
So I'd like to bring more of everyday life into the channel. Things I'm using, things I'm doing, and little bits of life around the house that I think you might enjoy. And there will definitely be more cat narration too, because I know a lot of you enjoy that. It might not be for everyone, but I can't please everyone, so this is the direction that I'm going to choose.
No fruit ones to watch, so I guess the human will do.
I still want cleaning to be a big part of the channel, because that's what we're here for. But I also want to give you more reasons to stop by, even when the house doesn't need a full cleaning. So you'll be seeing a little more of our everyday life around here.
More everyday life? Good, I have plenty of opinions. And apparently, so does this ball. I've had some time to think about this everyday life idea. And I already have opinions.
You always have opinions.
Exactly, that's why you need me.
I don't remember asking for your help.
You don't have to, I'm management. And I think we should have more food in these videos.
That's not what I meant by everyday life.
I know, I just thought I'd put it out there. Perfect! I can slide on the human without being noticed. Good morning, Mother. I've had my nap. Now we'll have some fresh water.
Here you go, okay?
Coffee warming up my hands again. Cold outside, but it's safe in here. Slow little moments, soft and clear. Counters waiting, dishes shine. Taking it one small step at a time. No rush, no race, no need to pretend. Just breathing in a brand new wind. It's a quiet morning reset.
Hey, Patchy, wanna play? No. Why not? Because you're doing that thing. What thing? That thing.
Misty, stop. Leave Patchy Patch alone.
Thank you. I have mush to think about.
Misty, want mush?
It's a quiet morning reset, and I'm doing my best.
What? Misty?
A ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies.
Making everything feel alright. Little routines, familiar grace. Finding comfort in this place. Every plate, every cut is a promise I'm showing up. Not for perfect, not for praise, just for better, gentler days. It's a quiet morning reset, letting go of yesterday's mess. One deep breath, one clean start. Pieces living in my heart. Soft music, open skies. Hope is rising with the light. It's a quiet morning reset, and I'm doing my best. No big dreams, no loud plans, just steady hands and quiet stands. Little wins, little ways, building brighter, calmer days. It's a quiet morning reset. Every worry I forget. One more chance, one more try. Watching sunlight fill the sky. Soft music, open skies. Grateful for this simple life. It's a quiet morning reset, and I'm doing my best.
Mother, enough with the cleaning. I require some loving.
Coffee cool and heart feels light. Starting over feels just right. Quiet home, peaceful breath. This is my gentle, fresh start step. Sun comes up before I'm ready. Same old list in hand, stay steady. Floors to sweep and beds to make. Give a little more than I take. Cup of coffee gone half cold. Too many stories left untold. But in the quiet I can see all the love surrounding me. It's in the way the house feels lived in. Not perfect, but it's been forgiven. Every mark and every bend shows where broken things can mend. I've walked through days that felt too long, still found a way to carry on. And in these walls I've come to know the kind of strength that doesn't show. I don't need a brand new start. I've built a life with these two hands and heart. Through every high and every low, I've made a place where love can grow. I'm thankful for the light right here. Through every doubt, through every tear, every corner, every chair holds the weight of love and care. Even when the day runs long, I still find where I belong. In every small and quiet way, this life is more could say. Evening falls, the sky turns gold. Same routines, but never old. Familiar sounds of gentle peace, and knowing nothing has to cease. There were days I questioned all of this, wondered what I might have missed, but looking back I see it clear. Everything I need is here. I don't need a friend to start. I built a life with these two hands and heart. Through every high and every low, I've made a place where love can grow. I'm thankful for the life right here. Through every doubt, through every tear, every corner.
Mother, I see you've brought out the floor monster.
Holds the weight of love and care. Even when the day runs long, I still find where I belong. In every small and quiet way, this life is more than I could say. When the night is finally still, and I get a moment just to feel all the years that brought me through, every dream I held on to. I may not have it all in sight, but I've got enough to call it right. And that's a truth I've come to trust in love in time, in all of us. I'm thankful for the life right here. Through every doubt, through every tear, every corner, every chair, holds the weight of love and care. Even when the day runs long, I still find where I belong. In every small and quiet way, this life is more than I could say.
You know, I was quite comfortable before all this activity started.
She lifts each pillow, soft and slow, pulls off the covers, lets them go. Hands move gently, smoothing each one. A little ritual, quietly done. She brings out colors, fresh and new. Fabric soft with morning dew. Fitting,
Wake me when it's time for cuddles.
changing just right. A small act that feels so bright. And oh, the room feels calm and warm. Every corner, every form. She hums a tune while she tends a loving touch that never ends. The cushions gleam, the couch renewed. A simple change, a quiet mood. Folding blankets, clearing space. Her home becomes a gentle place. And all the room feels calm and warm. Every corner, every form. She hums a tune while she tends a loving touch that never with every careful, tender move. She fills her space with peace and groove, small acts of care, soft and true. A home refreshed, made just.
Well, that's enough cleaning for one day. We'll see you in the next video, and you might as well subscribe while you're here.